Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing well. So as you can see in front of you, my wallpaper on my Android phone is 3D. So if I move around my phone, the shapes and forms in this wallpaper will move accordingly, and even if I touch the screen, it will start to make a blaze. So if you want to know how to get a 3D wallpaper on any Android phone, make sure to stick till the end, and I hope you guys enjoy today's video. Alright guys, I hope you're all doing well. Sorry I've been gone for a while. I was just too busy with my final exams. Before we start the tutorial, I just wanted to say that if you're watching this video, that means you're out of those 95% of the people that are not subscribed to the channel. So please make sure to subscribe to the channel. It will help me greatly and I will be much appreciated. So with that being said, let's head into the tutorial. So the first thing you need to do is obviously go to the link in the description or just search in the Play Store for an application called Cool Wallpapers and Keyboard. So make sure to find this application from the Play Store or just open the link in the description, tap on download, and let's wait for the application to start downloading. The file size is around 35 megabytes. It's not that large. It's going to download within minutes depending on your internet speed. Now while this is downloading, I will try to kindly remind you to subscribe to the channel and also make sure to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos that I post, and obviously it's for free, so make sure to like the video as well. It will greatly motivate me to make more videos similar to this. So with that being said, the application is about to be downloaded. It's just installing. After it's installed, I'll show you what the necessary steps are that you need to take. But keep in mind, this does not affect your phone in any way, shape, or form. It will not drain your battery. It will not make your phone slower. So if you have those questions, I'm glad to answer them. So the application is just installed. The first time you open it, it's going to start loading. Sorry, let me just downgrade my brightness a bit. So the application is obviously ad monetized, so you will see a few ads. Once you do, just make sure to close the ads, and after you reach this home screen, you need to go and choose the option that says set wallpaper. It should be the third one. Of course, it's going to show you another ad. Just wait for the ad to be complete and then just close the ad. And now you're going to see a few or different variants of 3D wallpapers. Now the one that I specifically chose for this video is the first one, given the fact that it shows you much more items and shapes when you move your phone, and it will make it look very cool. So as you can see, it's now loading. You will see a few options. As I said, I will choose the first one. The other ones are cool as well. You can try them out if you want to desire to do so. So just tap on the one that you want and then tap on apply. It will download the theme as it says. The file size is not that huge, so we'll just take a few minutes, and after it's downloaded, I'll show you what you need to do. So obviously the application is now downloading the theme for us, and now it's at 100%. Once the download is complete, all you need to do is close out of the download bar by tapping the X, and then you need to tap on minimize. So after you do that, easily tap on apply. Now once you do that, it will show you an ad that's around 20 seconds long. You only need to do this the first time you launch or apply the application to apply a theme. So just bear with it, watch the ad because it's free, so you might as well watch the ad and have the application unlock the wallpaper for you. So just let's wait for the application to finish the ad for us. As you can see, it says the time remaining is 6 seconds. It's not that long. For a fact that it's going to make your phone look cooler, you can watch an ad for free, I guess. So now the application has finished the ad. Once you reach the home screen, just tap on return or just go back. Depending on your phone, you can just easily go back, and then you can see the wallpaper in front of you. Make sure to set wallpaper as your home screen. You can set it on your lock screen as well if you want to do that. And there you go. That's the application, and that's the new 3D wallpaper that you see or you saw in the beginning of the video. It looks very cool. It looks very interesting. It actually gives a cooler vibe to the phone or to the home screen of your phone. So as you can see, if I move around my phone, the shapes or elements in the wallpaper move accordingly, so it makes it look cooler. And another advantage is if you touch the screen, it will make that blaze. So I'll show you how to remove the wallpaper in case you're not interested in it, or in case you just want to delete it or change it to another thing. You can easily just go to your settings. Each Android version has a different settings, but the fundamentals are the same. So just open the settings app, scroll down until you find wallpaper or home screen. They both do the same thing. Just open that option and then choose the wallpaper that you want to be your home screen wallpaper. So as you can see, I have very different options. I'll just choose the one that comes with my phone OS, which is Super Wallpaper, and I'll just choose that and turn it on, and there you go, you will be back to default. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.